Hi guys, here's Belsee. Today I will introduce this temporary 25-inch IPS touchscreen spatial phone Hyundai Santa Fe. 2018 to 2022 years. Okay, let me unbox review. Here's the box. It's raining outside. You can check this cable and canvas box and parts, install parts. And the head unit. Let me show unsets first. Okay, you can check this spatial canvas decoder box for Hyundai Santa Fe. Okay, this plug, this camera input video, AUX output left and right. And AUX input left and right, this video input. Okay. And this is install metal parts. You can check this right, left and right. Okay. And the screws. Okay, this OEM USB. This USB adapter for OEM, and this AUX input left and right. AUX input left and right. Okay, this GPS antenna. Okay, and this 4G SIM card slot. There are two USB cable and external microphone, and this video out, and this 4G antenna. And this radio antenna, and this USB. There are three USB. This subwoofer, and video out front and rear, left and right IC type. This subwoofer. Okay. And this AUX input left and right. This AUX input, video input, and camera input IC type. Okay. Let me show how it is. Okay, you can check back. And there radio antenna, this is 4G antenna, GPS antenna, and this audio cable USB, and the other connections, this power, this fuse. Okay, let me connect 12 voltage power. When you connect it, the head unit will be start. Okay. You can check overhead unit. And please tear this screw protector before using. Our head unit already built in the screw protector. This radio. And this home button, very fast response, you can check. And radio, this Bluetooth, volume, home, power. Okay, first let me introduce the settings. Find the settings. You can check the Android version. Android 11 system. Okay. And built-in the Wi-Fi. Okay, you can connect to Wi-Fi and you can visit our website belsee.com, belsee.com, and it's built in the SIM card. Therefore, SIM card slots for 4G LTE. And check the memory. It's total RAM 8 GB. And storage, it's total 128 GB back. And about device, you can check. And display. Reset, split. And please check their SIM style, 3 SIM style you can check. When you back the home, it check the style. Start to and this style 3. Okay. This original car information. Language, AMP, parking system. Okay, it's built in the Google Maps. This navy built in the Google Maps. And Auto Link for wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. Okay, and built in the Play Store, you can download the applications from it. Okay, this is our website. If you have any more questions, please visit belsee.com and contact us. Okay, that's all. If this is DSP amplifier. Okay, that's all. Thank you.